Alright, I got the Hiipoo mini heat press. This is set to be for evaluation purposes so that I can show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own on this. I'm not much of a crafter, but apparently this can be used for hats, t-shirts, heat transfer vinyl, all that kind of stuff, crafting. My mom says that she can use this for her rugs that she makes in her rug hooking classes, something to do with tightening the wool. But let me show you what you get when you purchase this product. First of all, fits right in the palm of your hand. Look at that, very small. The heating portion on the back here is about 4 inches by 2 inches. It comes with a spray bottle that you can wet down whatever it is, your shirt or your fabric, whatever you're doing, before you put the transfer on and apply the iron. And it comes with a little carrying case, a little carrying bag. It all comes neatly packaged in this box, nice and safe. Had some styrofoam on each side to protect it. The cable is about 4 foot long. Let's plug this thing in. It has an on-off button right here on the top, and it has 3 different temperature settings. So you press it for a few seconds, and it goes into preheating mode and it flashes. If we put it in medium mode, it flashes green. If we put it in high mode, it flashes purple until it reaches its temperature. Another one of the cool features on here is if you leave it on and forget to turn it off, it has an 8-minute timeout mode. It'll just shut itself off after 8 minutes of non-use. Look at that. And it gave me a little noise to tell me that it was heated up, and it only took about 3 minutes. This unit has an silicone insulating ring on here. You can see I've got it, it's heated up, it's on low, and this insulating ring obviously protects you from getting your hand on there. Feels a little bit tiny bit warm, but it's not hot at all, not as hot as that is. So that's obviously a great safety feature. If you happen to just reach down and grab this thing, you got that safety silicone ring on there to keep it from getting burned. And it also has a base that this sits on when you're done, and it also has a silicone ring on here as well to help the heat dissipate once you've turned it off. And another cool thing about this too is this base itself is vented, and you can see on the bottom it's actually slotted to help heat escape from underneath here when you do set this on here, so the heat just doesn't stand there and melt this thing. So pretty cool feature. So with the low, medium, and high settings on here, it can be used with a wide variety of different base materials. For instance, more sensitive materials, you can put it on the low setting. The temperature for that is 295 to 330. Most of the base materials you have are going to be used in the medium setting, the green setting, which is 330 to 360 degrees. And if you have any heavy duty base materials, you put it on the high setting, and that runs from 375 to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. Many options with this. So if you want to turn it off, you just press and hold the button and it powers down. You put it in its protective base. You know, obviously you want to unplug it and you let the heat dissipate and you're good to go. Now, as far as cleaning this goes, you can just use a damp cloth and water or glass cleaner. That's pretty easy. Nice looking non-stick looking material on here, so I think my mom's gonna like this. So obviously something like this would be great for small projects, small objects. If you're doing heat transfers, iron-ons, you can see this little bag itself is maybe 6x6 bag right here. But anyway, if you are a crafter or like doing your own transfers, your heat transfers on hats, shoes, shirts, clothing, bags, anything you normally do that kind of work on, and you're looking for a small, compact, easy to store, easy to carry, easy to travel with mini heat press, check out this mini heat press by Hiipoo Company. Check it out.